Hi, I'm Steve Laporte for Cinema Makeup School, and today I'm going over what's in my bag. Every makeup artist, when they're on the set or in the studio, of course, works from a makeup bag or a makeup case. Because of the way my career's gone, I'm in the field a lot. I'm working outside, I'm working in adverse situations, good weather, bad weather, hot, cold, and you need to be portable, especially if you're doing any kind of character makeup combined with straight or beauty or just corrective makeup. You need to be someone who has everything you need on your person to do any quick touch-up or to aid your actors if they ask for something. Simple thing like toothpicks and Q-tips and lip balm, things like that are very important, and they're pretty universal for using with just about anyone on set who requires your services. In order to be prepared for something when you're out in the middle of nowhere away from your makeup trailer, I found and adopted using a makeup bag. Originally I would wear fanny packs with the little accoutrements that I may need and a box of Kleenex, but slowly it got bigger and bigger. When I became the makeup department head on Lost, it really became evident that I had to be very portable. It's like you have to be, a soldier in the field. So I developed the bag I call the Porta-Case. This is the bag right here. It's based on a gun bag. So although these are not available anymore, I encourage students and early people in their careers or even experienced makeup artists to teach themselves how to be portable and on the go. The great thing about a bag like this is, one, you always have something over your shoulder. It takes the weight off of your body. But also there are little clips and things you can add that will aid you in your day-to-day work duties. Hand cleaner, carabiners for clipping on things. This has a opening for Kleenex. There we go. So having something that gives you access to something without having to run for it is real important. Within this bag, I also keep my Q-tips, matting agent for makeups that get a little shiny. I keep a lip balm in there, and I never use lip balm by double dipping and passing it around. That's where the Q-tips come in handy. You can just take a little Q-tip on your lip balm and hand it to an actor if they should ask for it. Also, because we use tattoo palettes a lot these days, they're all alcohol activated. So always keep your alcohol around. It serves dual purpose. It cleans your brushes, it'll clean your hands, it'll activate your tattoo palette. Another thing that's really important, it's kind of an unsaid rule, is your actors need to understand that you are clean and hygienic in everything you do. So just the visual of them seeing you clean your hands from time to time with alcohol before you touch their face is an important thing. It sets a standard that they recognize in you that you are a clean, hygienic person. That's why having things like hand cleaner gel and stuff like that's important. What's really good about having a bag like this that allows you to clip and hang things to it is you can also keep your brushes in a position so that all the brushes are facing up. So you don't ding your brushes. You have access to a multitude and different types of brushes. So as you put them away, you just drop them into the bag, fold it up, and zip it up. Now, if you're in an area where it's raining or snowing, you want to keep your brushes protected. And the simplest way to do that is go to the art supply store and pick up a little brush bag with a clip on it. If you don't have a clip, get one with a loop and put a carabiner on it so you can hang your brushes for easy access. Also, having something with a little side pouch allows you to keep not only toothpicks, blotting papers, maybe a little scab or cut material. It makes you real versatile, and also with the ability to touch up a makeup with a palette that you've either put together or pre-purchased. This is a palette that I developed. It's called Freckle and Hide, and it is a character palette for doing cover-ups and characters, such as bruises, sunburn. If someone has a blemish, you can cover it up. If you have a beauty makeup, you can simply walk in and adjust that beauty makeup with very little running to the trailer or getting supplies. I found that I've been able to utilize this palette alone on 90% of the makeups that I'm either standing by with or doing on the set. Along with this, I also have an area of the palette that allows me to keep my tools. If you're doing hair work, you're going to need a comb, you're going to need a pick comb. If you're doing some kind of prosthetic work, you're going to need your tweezers. All of these things should be kept on your person so you have easy access. So carrying a bag that allows you to load it up with your favorite tools, I think, is a necessity in the motion picture industry. Now, if you're stuck in a soundstage somewhere, again, If you're working in a dark environment, you need to go and find what you need. Keep the essentials on you, in a bag, on your person, and for some reason you have to run to the restroom or run to the trailer, you can simply take your bag off, hand it to your partner, and let them take over for you. It makes you very versatile. Also, if you're in the field, in the jungle, up on a hill somewhere, you can hang your bag on a tree and you've got a portable makeup station, and it keeps the weight off your shoulders. And as we all know in this business, leaning, I do something called the makeup lean. When you're leaning in to do a makeup, you do that for 40 years, you're gonna have a bad back. So take the weight off your shoulders and your hips and your body and extend the life of it so you can be there for the duration of your career and have a long life in that. Little sweat pads to hand to your actors is real important. These are simple folded up paper towels. You get your tattoo palettes. And if you're a prosthetic person, find something that allows you to take your glue. This is a little camera case. Pop it right on top of your bag and you're ready to go. So you're a one-man or a one-woman army for getting the job done. I hope you enjoyed these words of wisdom. I hope they help you in your process or whatever you need ahead of you. If you have any questions, contact Cinema Makeup School. I'm around.